Attention Watch this video clip maximum 40 to 60 seconds to be able to understand its meaning and how it can help you. If after 40 to 60 seconds this clip helped you in a certain way, you liked it and you understood, leave me a comment, subscribe to this channel and share it to social networks so that your friends can also find out about this video clip. Thanks in advance and all the best. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel at Alex Suziu. In the video you are about to watch I will talk about Bitcoin vs Ethereum, the story, technology, differences, advantages, and future of two giants of the cryptocurrency world. Let's get started. Two visions that changed the digital world. When it comes to cryptocurrencies, two names always dominate the discussion: Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH. These two projects represent not only technological innovations, but also different visions of the future of finance, the internet, and economic freedom. Bitcoin is the symbol of the decentralized monetary revolution, an alternative to the traditional banking system, created to provide financial freedom and personal control over money. Ethereum, on the other hand, is a global smart contract platform that has extended the concept of blockchain beyond money to decentralized applications, dApps, NFTs, DeFi, and Web3. This article explores in detail the history, technology, major differences, advantages, and disadvantages of each, as well as the possible future of the world's most important cryptocurrencies. 1. The Bitcoin story, the birth of digital money. The origin of Bitcoin. Bitcoin was launched in January 2009 by an anonymous person, or group, known by the pseudonym Satoshi Nakamoto. Its goal was simple but revolutionary: to create a decentralized digital currency, independent of banks, governments, or intermediaries. After the global financial crisis of 2008, trust in the banking system fell dramatically. Satoshi included a symbolic message in the first mined block, Genesis block. The Times 03/Jan/2009 Chancellor on brink of second bailout for banks. This sentence sent a clear message: Bitcoin was created in response to corruption and global financial instability. How Bitcoin works. Bitcoin operates on a decentralized network called the blockchain, a database distributed among thousands of computers, called nodes. Each transaction is verified by miners through a process called proof of work, POW. This process involves solving complex cryptographic calculations, which makes the network extremely secure, but also very energy intensive. Bitcoin as digital gold. With a limited supply of 21 million coins, Bitcoin is often called digital gold. It cannot be printed further, cannot be easily confiscated, and is not controlled by any government. As a result, Bitcoin has become a store of value, a safe haven asset for investors in times of economic uncertainty. 2. The Ethereum story, the decentralized internet. The genesis of Ethereum. In 2013, Vitalik Buterin, a young Russian-Canadian programmer, proposed a revolutionary idea. What if blockchain wasn't just for money, but also for programs, applications, and automated contracts? In 2015, he launched Ethereum, a fully programmable blockchain platform that allows developers to create decentralized applications, dApps, using a programming language called Solidity. The purpose of Ethereum. If Bitcoin is a currency, Ethereum is a development platform. Its goal is to build Web3, a decentralized internet, where users own data and interact directly, without intermediaries like Google, Facebook, or Amazon. Ether, ETH, the network currency. Ether, ETH, is the native cryptocurrency of the Ethereum network. It is used for paying transaction fees, called gas fees, rewarding validators, operation of smart applications and contracts. 3. The technology behind each project, Bitcoin, simplicity and security. Bitcoin uses proof-of-work technology, in which miners compete to add new blocks to the chain, consuming electricity to ensure the security of the network. Advantages of Bitcoin technology: extremely secure and time-tested, very resistant to attacks, simple and robust system, without too many code vulnerabilities. Disadvantages: low scalability, only 7 transactions per second. High energy consumption. Slow processing time, 1 block every 10 minutes. Ethereum, programmability and innovation. Ethereum, unlike Bitcoin, is built for flexibility. It introduced the concept of smart contracts, programs that run automatically when certain conditions are met. What is a smart contract? A smart contract is code stored on the blockchain that automatically executes an action when predefined conditions are met. For example, if you receive 1 ETH, automatically send NFT X to wallet Y. Migrating to proof of stake, POS. In 2022, Ethereum switched from proof of work to proof of stake, with the update called the merge. Instead of requiring miners, the network is maintained by validators who lock, stake, ETH to secure the blockchain. Advantages of Ethereum technology: reduced energy consumption by 99.9%. Superior scalability, through future sharding upgrades. Ability to run thousands of decentralized applications. Disadvantages: high complexity. Sometimes high transaction fees, gas. Possible code errors in smart contracts. 4 major differences between Bitcoin and Ethereum. Bitcoin. Launched 2009. Creator, Satoshi Nakamoto. Main purpose, digital currency, store of value. Algorithm, proof of work. Block time, 10 minutes. Transaction/second, 7. Total supply, 21 million BTC. Programming language, none, not programmable. dApps, no. Transaction fees, variable, but lower. Energy consumption, high. 4 major differences between Bitcoin and Ethereum. Ethereum. Launched 2015. Creator, Vitalik Buterin. Main purpose, platform for decentralized applications. Algorithm, proof of stake, from 2022. Block time, 12 seconds. Transaction/second, 30, possibly thousands in the future. Total supply, unlimited, but controlled by gas burning. Programming language, Solidity. dApps, yes, thousands of projects. Transaction fees, higher, but flexible. Energy consumption, low, after the merge. 5 Bitcoin advantages and disadvantages. Bitcoin advantages: maximum security, the most secure blockchain network in the world. True decentralization, no active founders, no central organization. Liquidity and global recognition, widely accepted. Store of value, often compared to digital gold. Total transparency, all transactions are public. Bitcoin disadvantages: limited scalability, difficult to use for microtransactions. High energy consumption, significant environmental impact. No complex functionalities, cannot support smart contracts. High volatility, price fluctuates greatly. Slow confirmation time, blocks every 10 minutes. 6 Ethereum advantages and disadvantages. Ethereum advantages. Full programmability, the basis for DeFi, NFT, dApps, DAO. Massive ecosystem, thousands of active projects and developers. Moving to proof of stake, energy efficiency and sustainability. Constant innovation, continuous upgrades, the merge, token, sharding. Massive adoption in Web3 and Metaverse. Ethereum disadvantages. Technical complexity, code errors can cause huge losses. High fees during times of network congestion. Fierce competition, other POS networks, Solana, Cardano, Avalanche. Controlled but not limited inflation, ETH does not have a fixed limit like Bitcoin. Dependence on technical upgrades, sometimes delayed. 7 Bitcoin vs Ethereum in the global economy. Bitcoin is seen as a form of hard digital money, a hedge against inflation and central bank monetary abuse. Ethereum, on the other hand, is the engine of the digital economy, the infrastructure on which the applications of the future run. Bitcoin in the economy. Accepted as a means of payment in countries like El Salvador. Used by companies like Tesla, MicroStrategy, and Square. It has become a part of institutional portfolios. Ethereum in the economy. It is the backbone of DeFi, decentralized finance, managing tens of billions of dollars. It has enabled the emergence of NFTs, which have revolutionized digital art. It is used for blockchain gaming, digital identity, and DAOs, decentralized autonomous organizations. 8. The future of Bitcoin and Ethereum. The future of Bitcoin. Bitcoin will continue to be a deflationary and store of value asset. As natural resources dwindle and global inflation increases, many investors see BTC as an alternative to physical gold. Future predictions. Potential price of over $100,000 per BTC in the coming years. Expanding usage through ETFs and financial institutions. Development of secondary networks like the Lightning Network, which solves the problem of speed and fees. The future of Ethereum. Ethereum has a much more technological and ambitious trajectory. Its goal is to become the global infrastructure of Web3. Future upgrades, such as sharding and rollups, will allow tens of thousands of transactions per second, at minimal cost. Future predictions. Massive adoption in metaverses and AI applications. The possibility of ETH becoming the economic gasoline of the decentralized internet. The potential to surpass Bitcoin in total market value, market cap, within the next decade. 9. Conclusi, Rivalitate sau Complementaritate. Bitcoin si Ethereum nu sunt rivali directi in adevaratul sens alcavancialui. EI representadwa directi e complementare ciliasi revolutai blockchain. Bitcoin afero valor, stabilitate si segurantat, este oral digital al era modern. Ethereum afero innovatai, flexibilitate si utilitate, este moderul tecnologic al internetului decentralizat. In aitor, ambile ar putea coexista si ar colabora intr un ecosystem comun, unde Bitcoin service ca reservada valor si mijloc de plata. Your Ethereum ca infrastructura pentru aplicati si contract digital. Final, philosophical, conclusion. Bitcoin is the rock on which trust in the crypto world was built. Ethereum is the fire that ignites innovation and leads us towards a new free and decentralized internet. Both projects, each in their own way, are writing the digital history of humanity. Who will dominate? Perhaps neither. But together, they define the future of the global economy without borders.